What is going on, bro? I said, what do you recommend? She walked away.
Okay, let's figure it out.
Hey, my boy. Dude, Myrtle Beach is the trashiest place in my life.
Terrible.
It's Ah, dude, good. Dude, we left at 1:30 and it's like 4.
Well, you like Jana thought we weren't
I thought
coming.
y'all weren't coming, so.
Well, here we are.
Yeah. Dude, what are we doing?
What are we doing?
Nothing to do here. Oh, why'd y'all even come? I don't know.
Hey, Alika, why did we come?
This is
Actually,
awesome.
this is your fault because
It
you
was
dragged
his
me into
fault that
this.
he invited
So
us.
We came for you, bro, okay? What is going on, bro? I said, what do you recommend? She walked away. Just...
Look. How Lars makes setups.
Yeah, that's funny. That's so weird, dude. Bro, I just saw the nastiest old lady eat the nastiest salad I've ever seen in my life. Dude, I swear.
You are so
Dude, this place is disgusting. Yeah. When you say something funny, it's usually because you're being stupid and I laugh, you know? Not because you're actually funny.
Oh, so we're getting
I
laughed
don't.
at because we're stupid.
You may
We're getting laughed at.
This is so dumb. It's gonna rain on us.
Yeah, it is. The point.
It's low-key going to shit though.
Yo, this place is sick, dude. Trying to be positive.
Wesley, what's your blood type?
Yes.
Be positive.
Wait, why?
I wanna go home.
She's saying to be positive.
Oh, you're such
slow
a...
there, buddy.
Bro, why do you speak? Do you have a fishing license?
Yeah, it expired 5 days ago.
Okay, good. Perfect.
Men are funnier than women. I was gonna base that right now.
Settle
I'm
down.
joking. I'm so joking. CCU owns that island.
Coastal
The trees
Carolina?
Are, yeah, the trees are sick as well. It's a research island.
That's fucking cool, dude.
Yeah.
I like this place. No, actually, I'm not
You
kidding.
have a really good vlogger voice.
Yeah, you
Do I actually?
Yeah.
You actually
Oh,
do.
that's nice.
You're welcome.
That's very... Aw. That's the nicest thing y'all have ever said to me. Yo, this is actually pretty, bro. I'm
That'd be
impressed.
cool.
Like, I need the sun to be out here.
Yeah.
I don't.
Do it a lot better.
I think this is perfect. Yo.
The world's biggest tiger shark was caught at that pier over there.
Can you swim?
Like 26 feet.
Biggest?
Biggest in the world.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Cool fact.
Wesley, watch the top. Oh.
Wesley, stay here.
Can we go look at that thing? Where did it go? That thing up there.
No. Let's go get the canoe.
Alright.
Trespassers will be prosecuted.
4-hour campaign.
They are locked. Okay. Yeah, we gotta go back.
Are we going back or what?
She does that.
You tell me.
Go. I'll follow you guys then.
Okay. Good.
So the towel's coming in handy.
Are you serious?
That's definitely food crap.
Why did you take your laces off?
Because I have like immaculate shoe game.
People that have good shoe game don't say that.
Yeah. You good? Yeah, sorry. Like, okay. Can you swim in here?
How do
Swim
you
here
do
all the
that?
time.
See, I don't know what sarcasm is anymore. Like, I'm getting confused. Are the currents pulling it?
The ripples on the bottom of the. That's what's making the.
Has to be. Yeah.
Oh, when you gave us gum, like that made my night.
It made my night as well.
I'm serious.
She basically wanted to fuck you.
No.
Oh.
Can we have a quick?
Wait up. Chill, stop, bro. Bro,
I
you should know. What are you
I've been
doing?
loosening it the whole time. Like, literally, I'm just gonna sit here like loosening
You
it.
can't do that. It has to be way tighter.
I'm gonna take it home.
Can I take it home?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's kind of cute.
What are you gonna do? Okay, come on, little guy. It's Pride Month.
What the fuck? What does that mean?
Every company.
Look, sweat.
It's so cute though. Look at this little like thing I was talking
I
about.
like the black one more.
I know the black one's cute.
Yeah.
Look at his bow.
Bro, what is wrong with her, dude? She always does this shit.
Oh yeah, no,
they're
it's all
good.
good.
They're so sandy and nasty.
They're sweet.
So are we.
Definitely from Myrtle. No, actually, dude, that means it's gonna lightning.
Your hair's doing it too.
Is it actually?
Yeah, you have like little baby ones.
Can you see it?
I think yours is sticking straight
straight up.
We're actually fucked. Are we gonna go watch a movie? Is that what you're saying? We're not watching a movie.
You've never done that?
That and snap.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's
I've never done
fancy.
that.
Okay, anyways.
I've always done like, what's
That's
it?
boring.
Yeah, it is boring. That's actually better.
Every
Okay.
time.
Yo, that was sick. Bro, that is so good. I gotta get a video of y'all eating it.
Wait, oh my god.
And make it as sexual as possible.
Nope. All right, I'm done.
So you can.
Yeah, I actually gotta get a video though. Come back. I need to shave.
Come on.
See you, big man.
Guy thing. He was like,
Bedroom all perks on the counter. Can't wait to taste them blunts on the counter. Can't wait to face it. Bad little bitch, yeah, she be my favorite.
You have such a dumb face, dude.